I'm done with cardio. Let's see what's next. No, a meditation after jogging won't do. Well, jumping and stretching. Or strength training?
Yeah, Sammy. In a superhero gym like that, you have no other option but to become a super slime.
Hey, Susie! I am already a super slime! Wanna grab my bicep? Ah!
Oh! It's a good thing that this is not an evil goo, because you haven't built up enough muscle mass yet to fight it off, just in case.
Oh, this always happens with me.
Don't be upset. We better craft up one character who totally knows how to tame Venom.
Oh! Sue, wait up!
La 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 la. Oh, hi guys! Check this out! Now tell me, does this piece remind you of anything?
Let me see. Huh, this kinda looks like a Detroit Lions team jacket. Susie, are you saying what I think you're saying?
Maybe. Great minds often think alike. All right, I'll tell you. Today we are going to make Eddie Brock. And then, in a couple of simple moves, we're gonna turn him into Venom.
Holy cannoli, that sounds too good to be true!
Well, we need to make a lot of pieces, so I'd really appreciate your help, Sammy. I hope that you're not too exhausted from your training earlier. Done!
Holy, Susie, nothing can tire me out. Check this out!
Oh, wow! This is a really great job, Sammy! How detailed! Well done!
Susie, how come Magneto was here? I see his traces, but he's from another comic book!
Oh, Sammy, you should try the open mic thing someday. Guys, these little magnets will help our craft keep its form during transformation.
We've already done that thing in one of our previous episodes. You know where to find it!
But back then, we didn't use this!
A plastic bag? Seriously? How not eco-friendly of you, Sue!
Don't worry, Sammy. Almost all of it will go on our craft, so there will be zero waste from it. How about some crunchy sound? All right, that was fun, but let's keep moving, guys. The wrinkled plastic bag will make the Venom half of our craft look leathery and shiny.
Ooh, sounds interesting!
Now let's carefully cut off the excess and make the whole thing look more like a neat piece of a craft.
Guys, make sure that you are using proper glue at this step.
That's right! This is what you should get!
Susie, check out how I inserted the magnets into this piece!
Let me see. Cool! Great job, Sammy! There we go!
Hey, I thought I did everything right!
And you did! The thing is, we need this piece to be foldable. Now we'll attach these two pieces back together with tape.
Ah, I see what you're doing! Let me help you! This goes here!
Check this out, guys! Now this piece of Eddie Brock's jacket can fold and unfold. Great! And while Sammy was working on it, I've cut out this. This means we can start with the first step of assembling.
Remember that you should always be careful with glue.
Especially when the pieces are this small. All right, now this front piece goes here. Ha, this does look cool, right?
Let me see. Oh, this jacket feels like a second skin. What's going on? I feel strange. Ah!
All right, next comes the bottom piece. Whoa, so cool!
And two little side pieces. Move, Susie. Don't forget about the wrapping procedure. Huh? Ah!
Okay, a teeny tiny part of our craft is done. We'll be back after a short break.
Help! Ah! I'm an evil slime! Oh, what's going on?
Guys, Sammy's evil horns are actually the parts of the arms for our craft. Only somebody forgot a few pieces. Now we're talking!
At least I've made something useful, and you only have a few offcuts.
Oh, really?
Yes!
And what would you say if I do this?
Oopsie! Venom is here! Ah!
Well, not quite yet. We need to upgrade each piece with a magnet. You guys should be very careful doing this, or better ask an adult to help you. And don't forget to secure it with a bit of glue. This way.
While Susie is finishing back there, take a second to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Now we should only add more teeth from both sides, and it will be ready. Pretty simple so far.
Making the lower jaw is also not complicated. Hey, don't bite me, you! Just make sure that you took all the measurements right. And voila!
Ha! Great job, Sammy! I like it when we work together. Almost awesome. Aha! Interesting.
Hey, Susie, check this out! We are Venom!
You don't say. How come I thought that you would make Eddie Brock's face?
Are you still trying to insult us, Susie? No, she is not, I promise! You'd better move aside!
Ah, if only I could change my makeup as fast as this guy changes his personality.
Less joking, more working, Sue! We're only halfway through here! The clock is ticking, you know!
Are you rushing somewhere that I don't know about? Come on, spit it out!
Fine, if you must know. I happen to tell all of my friends in Tibidaba that I'm having a workout with Venom today. So they are gonna FaceTime me in a half hour to make sure that I told the truth.
Ugh, your words are always ahead of yourself, Sammy. Guys, check out this piece. We've hidden the magnets here, here, and over here. And one side is covered with colored paper.
Susie, did I not ask you kindly to speed up?
Okay. You are the most impatient pink slime I know, Sammy. It's not that I have many slime friends, though.
Holy cannoli! Well, I like being exclusive.
You sure do. We will be back.
Sue, was that you? Oh, Well. It looks like somebody has made holes in our pieces.
These are the openings for the tentacles. I've decided that our Venom will look even cooler having some extra heads attached to some spooky black tentacles. Guys, make sure that you've made a cut in the middle of this piece. Here we go. Just don't pull these pieces all the way through.
You know, Sue, I'd prefer the next time you give me a heads up about any upgrades of the craft. Deal?
What's with the notebook, Mr. Big Boss?
Oh, you know how Eddie Brock was a journalist, right?
Well, rumor has it. Looking good, huh?
Well, I want to be a reporter too. Would you care about giving me an interview?
Sorry, Sammy. No comments for now. I am really busy here. Now these tentacles are gonna be hidden properly.
I can deal with that.
Guys, pay attention that you need to insert these parts like this.
Oh, come on, Sue, it's not fair! One question, please!
Okay, Sammy, shoot.
Tell us, dear Miss Susan, why do we need the pieces with little aluminum plates?
Well, I'm glad you asked. A bunch of pieces like this one will wrap around these parts of the arms. Let me show you my new trick, guys. What's wrong? Just a bit more, and whoosh! That's what I was talking about. So this side is Eddie's, and this one is Venom.
Great! Just a few accompanying photos and my first coverage will be done!
Whew! I guess I'm ready to do anything just to make Sammy happy. Guys, these joint-like pieces are really easy to make. You can ask an adult to help you out. Now this piece goes on top. Looking good, right? Our a bit spooky craft is almost ready.
Spooky? What are you talking about, Sue?
Oh yeah? Then maybe we should add some more black evil goo here?
Is that spooky to you? A black goo? Come on! Ah! What was that?
Guys, finally, this is what the legs of our character should look like. They are pretty much done in the same way as the arms, only this time we use blue-colored paper to indicate Eddie Brock's genes. But before we glue them to our craft, we need to make a few more decorative adjustments to the Venom's body.
I was just about to remind you of those white things myself. Venom is not just plain black after all. Guys, support us with your thumbs up and Susie here will start working faster.
We're ready for docking. Here we go, great! And this bottom part goes without glue.
Susie, are you sure that we're completely done? I mean, we still have some of this left.
Oh, you're right, I nearly forgot about 2 more tentacles. I hope nobody minds me using craft magic this time.
Whoa, let me see! Uh-oh, they're trying to drag me down! Ah! All right, people, are you ready to see the greatest transforming craft of all? Then come closer to your screens!
Ladies and gentlemen, at the right corner of the table, we have pink slick slime. And at the left corner, there is black and slimy.
No! Enough, Sue, I can't do that! You and I, we are both slimes! As a matter of fact, you're my great-grandma's stepbrother's third cousin. Oh yeah, slimes usually have rather long family trees.
Oh, Sammy, it seems like you can find your relatives in any of us, even among some evil characters.
I don't see anything bad about that.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for being with us today, guys. We hope that you liked our craft and had fun, just like we did.
Don't forget to shower us in your thumbs up and subscribe. We'll get back to you very soon with another cool craft.
Bye-bye, everybody.